And also, though, I think because the idea of the Moroka, you have this wonderful imagery of the sort of the mer people who are forced up out of the I think you described it as the amniotic fluid that they would have lived in, and they're forced up onto the dry rock.
Yeah,
And if you like, sort of the water recedes and they're left there, and but they don't have the language to actually understand what it is that they're missing.
I know that I feel that's still true for a lot of Irish people, and then an awful lot of Irish people who go abroad and who have forgotten their Irish background. I mean, I do think there is a kind of a kind of a gap or a lapse or something in the Irish character because of that.